You won't believe the buzz around AI-generated animal content right now. From charming pet cooking meals to heartwarming moments of animal teamwork. This trend is blowing up on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. But here's the kicker. This trend isn't just cute. It's lucrative. Many content creators are turning AI animal videos into real revenue streams. With TikTok's creativity incentives and YouTube ad monetization, people are earning serious income from AI-generated content. The best part, you don't need expensive gear, real pet, or advanced editing knowledge to get started. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create these viral animal clips from scratch using free AI tools. Whether your goal is to grow your online presence, go viral, or generate passive income, this guide has got you covered. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a future upload. The support means a lot to me. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. To start with, we have to generate the prompt for our images. So I have two prompts that I will use. The first one to generate the scenes, and you use the second one to generate the images. Okay, so you copy it and head over to ChatGPT and paste it there. Generate. All right. Let's copy the second prompt and give it to ChatGPT to generate a prompt for detailed image of all the scenes. It's time for the actual image generation. Let's head over to Leonardo AI. You can search on Google. Alright. Leonardo AI. Once the site opens, click on Get Started. Alright. And create an account with them. You can use your Google account to sign up. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so once you are done with that, click on the model where Flux Developer is being checked and select Phonics 1.0. Okay. And then select the style as dynamic. Leave it on dynamic as it is. Alright, and for the dimension, select 9:16. Alright, TikTok. Alright, okay, and then you go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt so that it will start generating the images for you. Let's get right. Let's do it. So you paste the copied prompt in here and click on generate. Alright. Click on generate. You go back to ChatGPT, copy the next scene's prompt, come back to Leonardo AI, and do same for all the scenes. Alright, when it's done, then we download them onto our computer. We are done generating the images of all the scenes. Okay, so we have to bring life to it. First of all, download all of them onto your computer. That's the best one that you like. You see, each scene you are given I think four images for each scene. So you download one of each scene, the best the ones that you like, you get it. So when you are done, then we head over to the next one. Onto the next. We are about to bring life to our images. So we are going to use Hailuo AI to do this. You sign up an account with them if you already don't have an account with Hailuo AI. And then this is what we're about to do. We will go to create video and then upload each of the scenes that we downloaded, the images that we downloaded from Leonardo AI. Then go to ChatGPT and copy each of the corresponding prompts for each of the scenes, right? Okay, so let's get it done. So you click on the create video, then upload the image. Okay, so you click on the drop or paste here, then you look for the image that you downloaded. Okay, so you select the first scene, okay, and upload it. Then you go back to ChatGPT, you come to ChatGPT again and select the first prompt for that, okay, which is a fluffy orange, something like that. You get it, you copy it, and then you give it to Hailuo AI to do the image video generation. Click on the generate. Okay, yeah, it takes a lot of time for the video to be ready. So this is what I would do. I'll open different profiles to do the generation at a time so that I'll finish early. So you can do the same when you're doing yours. Okay, so let's get it done. So I've opened Hailuo AI in a new profile. So I'll copy it. I'll get a prompt for the second scene. All right, I'll drop my image here, and then the second scene's image, of course. Then of course continue with Google, and then I give it a prompt. Then just as we did before. All right, so let's do it. I'll speed up this process. Okay. Once you are done generating all the videos, download them onto your computer. Then let's move to the next stage. Generating music for account video using Suno AI. So you sign up account with Suno AI, and then you use ChatGPT, of course, to generate a song lyrics for us. Okay, so let's sign up. After a successful sign up, you will go to ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT to write us a short, calm and relaxing song lyrics. All right, so you give it this prompt to generate the lyrics for you. Give it this prompt, write a short, calm and relaxing song lyrics, and it will give you something nice. Okay, and after that, you ask ChatGPT to give you the theme of the song. Okay, or the style or something like that. Then right, once it's done, we go back to Suno AI to continue. Copy the song lyrics and go back to Suno AI. You copy everything here. Then you click on create, and custom, you click on customs over there. Okay, and then you paste the song lyrics that you had copied. Okay, I'm here to copy mine, so I'll paste it here, and I'll get rid of those things that I don't need. Okay, I'll get rid of those ones, I don't need them, so I'll get rid of them. And I'll also go and copy the style that the ChatGPT suggested. So I'll paste it here. I'll paste it in that box and click on create. And let's wait for the magic. Once that is done, you download the music. You actually get 2 music generated. So you play the 2 and listen to what you like. If the one you like, you just download them onto your computer, and then you move to the next stage. Now that we have everything ready, our cut videos and our music, the next step is to use CapCut to join everything together, make it fun. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all your cut videos into the software. Now drag them onto the timeline, starting from the first scene to the last scene. Okay. Let's import the music we had created earlier. So you import it. All right. Once imported, you drag it onto the timeline as well. Okay. and you have to split it at where the video ends. You have to cut that side off. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. You use the split tool to cut it, and then you will delete it from the timeline. Alright, so our video is a bit okay now. We are getting somewhere, but we have to add sound effect. He's cutting something. Alright, we must hear the sound of someone cutting something, so we have to find sound effect. You can use audio library by Google. I mean, it's owned by YouTube. Yeah, it's free, it's royalty free. You don't have to pay anything for that. And another website too, I'll show you really soon. I'm not getting most of the audios I want, so I'll come to Mixkit, okay, and I'll search for the kind of sound I want. Alright, you search for it, and then you download them onto your computer, and you go back to CapCut to continue from there. Okay, so we will have to import the audios that we have downloaded, the sound effect that we have downloaded from Mixkit and audio library. Okay, we will import them. Okay, you import everything. I think I got only 3 also. Yeah. And I'll drag them onto the timeline where I want people to hear that sound of a cutting carrot. Okay. So the sound where it's cutting, and I'll stop it somewhere, and I'll cut it off. You get it? So I'll arrange them according to how it's supposed to be. Okay. On to the next, we have to add transition to it so that it looks cinematic. Okay, so you come to overlay, transitions and overlay. I like to use overlay, mix overlay. Okay, and there are a whole lot of transitions available that you can play with, so you can play with them and find the best match for your video. Okay, so I'll add the transition, the mix transition in between the videos, all of the videos. Okay, yeah, and you can also adjust how long, the duration of it and all that. You can adjust everything. Okay, so I'm done inserting the transition, and the next thing is to get rid of that watermark over there. Okay, so this is how to do it. You select all the clips on the timeline. Okay, you see it to be highlighted, and then you drag it, you scale it until that watermark is hidden. Okay, so that's how easy it is to get rid of that watermark. Okay, so our cut video is done, so let's play it to see how it pan out, if everything is okay or not. Anyway, once you watch it and everything is okay, the next thing is to export the video. So on the tab up there, you click on export, and you select 4K. It's already on 4K. Okay, so you select 4K. Okay, and the frame rate there, you have to select 30, or you can go as far as 60. Okay, and I think that's all. You click on export, and your video will be exported onto your computer.
Golden light through my window pane, soft winds calling me by name. The world slows down, I close my eyes, floating on the quiet sky.